Today, our lesson is how did the English language spread globally? The English language spread globally through a combination of historical events, cultural exchange, and technological advancements. Here is a brief overview. Colonial era 16th to 19th centuries. Number 1. British Empire. The British Empire expanded to various parts of the world, establishing colonies in North America, Africa, Asia, and the Pacific. Number 2. Colonial Industrial Administration. English was used as the language of administration, commerce, and education in these colonies. Number 3. Missionaries and trade. Christian missionaries and traders also played a significant role in spreading English to various regions. Industrialization and technological advancements, 19th to 20th centuries. Number 1, Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution led to increased global trade, commerce, and communication, with English emerging as a dominant language. Number 2, Telegraph and telephone. The invention of the telegraph and telephone facilitated global communication, further solidifying English as a lingua franca. Number 3. Mass media and entertainment. The rise of mass media such as radio, television, and film helped spread English globally through entertainment and cultural exchange. Post World War II and globalization, 20th century onwards. Number 1. United States global influence. After World War II, the United States emerged as a global superpower, promoting English as a global language. Number 2. International business and trade. English became the language of international business, trade, and finance, driving its adoption in professional and educational settings. Number 3. Digital age and internet. The widespread adoption of the internet and digital technologies has further accelerated the spread of English, making it an essential language for global communication. Today, English is widely used as a number 1 lingua franca, a common language for international communication. Number 2, global language, a language used in international business, education, science, technology, and entertainment. Number 3, second language, a language learned by non-native speakers for various purposes. The spread of English has been shaped by a complex interplay of historical, cultural, economic, and technological factors. Here is a concise history of the English language. Ancient roots, 5th century to 450 CE. Number 1, Germanic tribes. English originated from the languages of Germanic tribes such as the Angles, Saxons, and Jutes. Number 2, Old English, also known as Anglo-Saxon. This was the earliest form of the English language. Middle English, 450 to 1500 CE. Number 1, Viking invasions. Scandinavian languages influenced English, introducing new vocabulary and grammatical structures. Number 2, Norman conquests. French became the language of the ruling class, introducing Latin and French loanwords. Number 3, Chaucer's Canterbury Tales. This literary work helped establish Middle English as a literary language. Early Modern English, 1500 to 1800 CE. Number 1, Renaissance and Enlightenment. Latin and Greek influences increased, introducing new vocabulary and concepts. Number 2, King James Bible. This translation helped standardize English spelling and vocabulary. Number 3, Shakespeare's plays. His work showcased the expressive power of early modern English. Modern English, 1800 to present. Number 1, Industrial Revolution. New technologies and scientific discoveries introduced new vocabulary and concepts. Number 2. British Empire. English spread globally, absorbing words and influences from colonized languages. Number 3. 20th century developments. English became a dominant global language with the rise of international communication, technology, and media.